happening, everybody? The mystery of the freaking Volvus is solved. I went out and got new spark plug wires, and like I thought, when I put the new wires on, the thing fired right up. But I forgot that I had not put my intake back on, so I shut it off, and when I went to go start it again, it didn't start. So the first thing we did was check the spark again, because that was the main cause of our problem. So we checked the spark again, no spark. So what I did then is have Justin hop in the rig, and he cranked it, and while he was cranking it, I just grabbed the harness and shook it. That light flashed once, the thing fired up, ran fine. So the mystery is in the harness. My harness is junk. There's just something broken or whatever in this harness, and that is the problem. So I'm gonna need to get a patch harness. Leave a comment if you have any suggestions on what I should get. I have no clue. I was doing some research. Oh god, I'm gonna die. I was doing some research, but don't really know. I'll figure it out, but I gotta order it within the week so we can get the Volvo driving. Leave a comment. Want to fire it up just for fun?
Yeah.
Show them.
You think it'll spark or not spark?
We'll find out. Justin's in the beast. It might just fire up, or I might have to give it a jostle. You can send it. Oh. Turn key off. Alright, so yeah, she runs, but a little funky. Obviously, the harness is just clapped. I don't really want to run it and have it run crappy, because I know it's the harness, but she lives. It's all in there. And we'll get her on the track again. We'll get her sliding in no time. Yeah, pull the fuel off just for safety precautions. Ah! Thank you. We're gonna do some 7.3 truck stuff now. Yeah. Put some new boots in the rig, turbo boots and stuff. Yep. We'll pull it up in a second.
Should we pull it up or do it down there?
Yeah, pull it up.
Alright.
Want to move the Vic?
Yes.
Alright. Justin dropped all the sockets. I'm kind of excited that, I get to buy a new harness for the car, because this is really the one thing that I didn't do, and I just, I could have done better. This was the harness that came out of a box truck or a pickup truck, and it's obviously very messy, and it's all draped over my intake. It doesn't look very good, so it's going to be cool to have the opportunity to take this off. I'll be able to see the whole engine in its form. I could probably clean up my valve covers and really make it look good, so it'll be fun, and you'll get to see all of that, obviously. So it'll be a fun journey to kind of make the final steps of this thing look really good. You'll be able to pop the hood and just have a beautifully wired LS in this Volvo, so I'm pretty excited for that.
What up, guys? We got a few things going on with the 7.3 today. Quick little freshen up. We're gonna do some boots on the Y pipe. Mine are starting to get all clapped out. These are nice. We got some nice hose clamps, so maybe we'll see a rise in boost pressure or something like that, or even like how quickly it would spool up. Maybe that's a better seal. And we got an intake boot, because as you can see up on here, that's all cracked right there. And then these things are not so happy as well, so we'll put some new boots on her and see if we're doing good. What?
Trying to catch a grasshopper.
It
was back there.
Dude, in Mexico, I'm not kidding, I saw a grasshopper as big as my finger. As big as my finger.
Did you catch it?
No, I was terrified.
I would have been like my new friend Grasshoppery.
That thing was huge. But yeah, let's throw these in.
The first greasy boot out.
It's just all like, I mean...
She's just old and greasy.
Yeah.
And these look nicer in general. Nope, that's one way to do it.
That's junk.
Just gonna pull them all off? I gotta put that on.
Yeah.
Last boot coming off. Going to the ground. Yeah. So we got all our pieces off. The Y pipe right here. And our new boots ready to go on. New gaskets, new clamps.
All the good stuff. How do I reach you?
We got one on. Looking nice. Two left. the new boots on the Y pipe with the 2 clamps. Those clamps are beefy, huh?
Oh yeah.
Jesus. And we're gonna see me slide it down in there. This is the angle for the last step. Gotta get that banjo bolt on, or clamp.
Oh, can you put a 5/16 on this?
I got you. They say riff-raff on the new boots, so
Riff-raff.
I didn't know riff-raff made music and 7.3 boots. Just tighten up the final hose clamps though. It'll be done. These old boots were pretty flimsy though. This thing it just feels like nothing. Piece of freaking plastic. All done and tightened up. The black ones really blend in with the truck. We're gonna fire it up. Hopefully it starts. Justin didn't, destroy something. We're going out for a rip. Justin's probably just gonna put it wide a bunch and be like, yeah, I don't know if it's better or not. We'll find out. I mean, I think the only way to test this is just pretty much put it wide and see how it builds boost. So yeah, going out for a rip.
Does it make a difference in boost pressure? I think before, when I had the old boots in, I would only make boost in the high revs, you know what I mean? It would climb maybe 12, 13, 15 if I was going up a hill with like an incredible load, you know what I mean? Like a big ass hill. But it would never make boost in the low range. So when I just give it a little bit and it make like a pound or two, it would never make a pound or two of boost. So yeah, it improves the pressure in there. Is it worth it? Yeah, I would say so, because it's just going to give you better fuel mileage, better boost. So it's just a quick, easy, general upgrade that you should do to your truck if your boots are cracked and worn out.
Like a grape. Someone threw something, I think.
No way.
I think someone got upset. Someone was offended.
What is that?
Is it beer, I think?
Yeah.
What a jerk.
Dude.
I didn't even see him. Oh, I just smelt it. That's weird. That was the guy got offended.
Damn, did it fuck up my truck?
Oh, I don't know. We'll find out. Should we go run him over? That was definitely a beer can. It just reeks like beer.
Yeah, the whole truck.
Guy was not happy.
I don't see any marks.
Yeah, I don't even see
that. That was there.
Yeah, I don't see anything.
But like, it's not like anything.
I guess no harm, no foul if there's no dent or anything.
Yeah.
Guy was offended by our skid. Well, we're at KFC because we are starving. So we're gonna go eat some food. The 7.3's ripping. Justin thinks it's building a little bit more boost pressure. And it did a nice little skid there, so cool beans. Cleaning the beer off the rig with my clapped out hose. All in all, today was a super good day. I'm really happy that I was able to verify that what was wrong with the Volvo was the harness. That is a huge load off my mind. I'll be able to fix that, get a nice harness, and just have a good time with that. And we were able to get the new boots in the 7.3. No, you're fine. I'll do Miata after. But we were able to get the new boots in the 7.3. As always, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to smash that like button, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace!
Why self-life? We got London on the track.